All right, guys, last break of the night. It's been a good night. Let's finish strong here with an autographed bat. So this is Series 9. Aaron Judd is the big name out of this. So let's see if we can pull him out of here. So Arturo, you've got the Diamondbacks. Ashok with the Giants. Ben S., you've got the Braves, the Orioles, the Red Sox, the White Sox, the Reds, the Tigers, the Astros, the Royals, the Angels, the Mets, the A's, the Phillies, the Pirates, the Padres, and the Cardinals. Brian B., you've got the Nationals. Brian G. with the Rockies. Cars, you've got the Cubs. Donald, what's up, man? You've got the Dodgers. Jason G. with the Rangers and Blue Jays. Jason Z. with the Twins and Mariners. Jeff M. with the Indians and Yankees. John W. with the Marlins. Matt G. with the Brewers. And then Preston, you've got the Tampa Bay Rays. All right, so show you the seal on both ends. Yeah, Preston, thanks for jumping in, man. Love for you to jump in every week. So, Brian, nothing tonight? Even in big box, we didn't get you anything? Oh, we got a game used. We got a game used bat. Who do we got here? Game used. Looks like it says, is that 05 or 03? Rich Altman's Hollywood Collectibles. And I can't tell who that is. That is definitely game used. There's the C of A. It's going to be a Bobby Estalella. Bobby Estalella. All right, so played from 96 to 2004. So that's going to be an 03 game used, which is when he played for Colorado. All right, so even though it doesn't have a team listed, it's got game used 03 in there. So it's got to be going to the team that he played with that season. So that's going to be Colorado. So he played a few seasons with Philly, a couple with the Giants, one with 3 games with the Yankees, and then a couple seasons with Colorado. So that is going to be going to Colorado. So Brian G., there you go, man. Had a bad night, finished up with a game-used bat. So it didn't end up a totally crappy night. So we'll send out a game-used bat to you, so congratulations. I didn't buy it at a flea market. All right, so we'll get that bat, helmets, big box, everything. I won't be going to sleep tonight. I'm going to be packaging all this stuff up. So appreciate you guys joining us. We'll get everything mailed out to you guys tomorrow. And don't forget, we've got 11 more breaks next weekend. Platinum basketball and baseball will be in. So I'll have that in the email this week, as well as box number 6 and 7 of Big Box. So appreciate you guys joining us. Have a great night and a great week, and we'll see you next weekend.